I'm going to go camping in the forest. Hooray! I'm here. Now to set up the tent and get the fire started. Alright. Time to cook some marshmallows. Oh man. The fire has been put out. And worse, someone might show up. Please don't tell me that there are Freddy Fazbears out there. I'm getting out of here.
Oh my, ultra, hyper, god. Zephyrus, ever how dare you go camping while grounded? Even worse, you got jump scared. That's it. You're grounded for 255 weeks. Go to your room, now.
Whatever. I never cared about camping alone.
I wonder what was that about.